Bill Gates once said, I failed in some subjects in exam, but my friend passed in all. Now he is an engineer in Microsoft and I am the owner of Microsoft. Even Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, the best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. Why is that so? That is what I am going to share with you today from the book Why A Students Work for C Students and B Students Work for the Government by Robert Kiyosaki, who is also known as Rich Dad. First of all, according to our education system, from our childhood, we get lessons about history, geography, and all kinds of subjects. But we get no lessons about the more important thing in our life to live comfortably, that is money. Schools are teaching students to get a good job. They are not being taught at school how to start their own company and create good jobs for others. How many types of income are there? The basic financial education is not being provided in schools or at home. So now it becomes our own responsibility to understand the importance of financial education and learn about it. So let us learn something about it today. Smart idea number 1. Understand the difference between the 3 types of income. Types of income can be classified into 3 categories: ordinary, portfolio, and passive income. Ordinary income indicates earning money by working yourself. For example, doing a job at a company or running your little shop. A fixed or little income for the whole life and keep working for money until you die. Sadly, schools prepare students to follow this path. That is why most people end up choosing this type of income. As a result, they can never achieve financial independence in their life. Financial independence means when you do not have to work anymore to earn money for your living. Next, there is portfolio income. That is earning money by putting your money to work for you. For example, investing your money in the share market. That is a far better option than ordinary income. But as the risk is pretty high in this option, so we cannot say that it is the best option. And also, it takes many years to achieve financial independence by following this path. According to the author, the best way to earn money is by passive income. That is to make money by putting your assets to work for you. Asset means anything that puts some money in your pocket every month. For example, earnings from a rented property or owning a big company like KFC, Amazon or Facebook. If the owner of these companies goes on vacation for a few months, then also they keep earning. So to achieve financial independence, it is the best option. Smart idea number 2. Choose your position on the cash flow quadrant before choosing your career. All professions can be classified into 4 categories inside the cash flow quadrant. On the left side of this cash flow quadrant, there are E and S categories. E stands for employees. The most important thing to them is security. If someday they feel any need to earn more money, at max, they search for a new job with a higher salary. To them, education means becoming a specialist at a particular subject and find a high-paying job. S stands for self-employed. These guys do not fear to take risks. So they love to work being their own boss. But they have an attitude in them that the work they are doing can be done best only by them. So they do not want to hire someone under them. They also earn as long as they keep working, just as the employees. For example, doctors, lawyers or freelancers. On the right side of this cash flow quadrant, there are B and I categories. B stands for business owners. These guys develop a system using the employees and self-employed so that their business can operate in autopilot mode. As a result, they do not just earn when they work like the E or S category, but also when they do not work, they continue to make money. I stands for investors. These guys are the smartest people. They put their money or sometimes others' money in the business built by the business owners and continue to earn just sitting quietly doing nothing. Business owners have to manage employees. Investors do not need to do that even. On the superficial level, it seems that employees remain most secured and investors at the highest risk. But the truth is, employees are at the highest risk and investors remain most secured. Because employees have the lowest control over their income, whereas investors have the most control over their income. A business owner can fire an employee anytime he wants. Then the income of the employee becomes completely zero. But for an investor, thousands of options always remain there to invest. So which category will you prefer to be in the cash flow quadrant? Smart idea number 3. It is better to be good at many things than being expert at only one particular thing. Our education system is designed in the way such that a student graduates only by becoming a specialist in a particular subject, maybe math honors or chartered accountant or a dentist. As a result, they have only two options after completing their studies: either live the rest of their life as an employee or self-employed. As a result, the best students according to the education system, that are A-grade students, those who are called first benchers, live the rest of their life either being an employee or self-employed. But the not so good students according to the education system, that is C-grade students, those who are called last benchers, they do not follow the education system to become a specialist in a particular subject. Instead, they become good at many things in life altogether. And to be a successful business owner or an investor, it is not enough to know only about a particular subject. Because if someone is excellent at accounting but do not know anything about how to talk to someone and crack deals, he or she can never become a successful business owner or investor. That is why last benchers own the company and first benchers live their life as an employee in one of those companies. And the mediocre students, that is B-grade students, those who become good at one subject but along with that they also become good at a few other subjects, they live as the government employee for the rest of their life. As Sir Albert Einstein once said, education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. If you want, you can buy this book, Why A Students Work for C Students by Robert Kiyosaki, by following the link given below in the description. I hope this video will help you to understand the importance of financial education and also to choose the right career path for you. Wish you all the very best. Thanks for watching. More wisdom, more solution, better life.